Real talk, I see this all the time on our channel. People saying, Kellen, I want to start a Go High Level agency. I want to start an AI agency and start making money online. And they keep saying the same things. I don't have the skills. I don't have the experience. I don't have the actual portfolio to do this and be successful with this. And let me tell you this as straightforward and as honest as possible. That is not why you do not have your AI agency started and why you have not landed your first client. When I landed my very first client, I had all of the fears that you're dealing with right now. Fear of failure, fear of imposter syndrome, just fear of looking like an idiot landing your first client. And I had nothing when I first started. I had no portfolio. I barely got into Go High Level to learn any of the features. And truthfully, I was genuinely terrified to call or reach out to any business owner. But the wild part is that none of that actually even mattered. It took me just one Facebook post to land my very first paying client. And that one client paid me $3,000 up front plus $197 every single month. And then just a couple months later, I upsold them to a $500 a month SEO package. And I've made over $10,000 just helping this one client, my very first client. One client, $10,000. And it all started with one Facebook post and one conversation when I literally had no idea what the heck I was doing. You know what was actually holding me back before that? It was this one belief, this one thing inside my head that I'm sure you're dealing with as well. And it's most likely living invisible inside your head. And the moment I spotted it and flipped it around, that's exactly when my first paying client came around. And that's exactly what this entire video is about. And real quick, like any other video on our channel, I'm not here to upsell you to some $5,000 coaching program or sell you on a course. I give away everything for free. All I ask is that if you get value from this video, hit the like button, share with a friend that also needs it, and comment free course below so that I can give you my step-by-step system to get you started and give you everything you need to succeed. And this was such a pain point for me when I was first getting started. I just felt it on my heart today to get in the car and make a video to share it with you. All right, so what's that one belief that we're all struggling with when we start our Go High Level agency? It's thinking that you need to be an expert in order to help other local businesses. It's thinking that you need to understand the entire platform, offer all the services, and have a full portfolio of other businesses that you've helped in order to get your first client. And it's just completely wrong and incorrect, and it's completely backwards. And it's what's holding you back. I remember when I first started, I just went into that mindset of trying to constantly learn and not earn. I was constantly using the excuse to go take another course, watch another YouTube video, listen to another podcast, just learning without actually taking action. And I feel like almost 99% of people that start an agency go through the exact same thing. Because let's be honest, it's a lot easier to actually just keep learning and you feel like you're making progress. But when you're not picking up the phone, sending DMs, getting into demo calls, getting on sales calls, your business is not going to grow. It's just not going to grow. You're not taking action that's actually moving the needle and getting you your first paying client. So where does this belief come from that you need to know everything before you get started and it's not okay to fail? It comes from the system that we were all brought up in. We're trained to learn before taking action. We're trained that it's not okay to fail and to learn through failure. And that makes us all very uptight to have to be perfect and wanting to not make mistakes and not fail and not look stupid in front of other people and have rejection sensitivity. So for 12 to 16 years, we're told, learn, get a degree, get the certification, and then you can actually start taking action, start to do the work. And that works great for a 9-to-5 job, but if you're following our channel, following our journey and want to reach financial freedom like we have, that is the complete opposite thing of what you want to do, especially because you're starting a business. You need to take action. I'm telling you, after doing this for over a decade, action takers are money makers. And as long as you continue to take action and actually take action, not just continue to learn, actually pick up the phone, actually send the DM, actually reach out to business owners, actually reach out, pull out your phone and let your family and friends know what the heck you're doing and not being afraid to do that so that everyone can send you referrals, that's when everything starts to click. Do you know how many months I sat on the sideline just continuing to learn, trying to come up with this perfect offer, this perfect sales script to reach out to business owners with and actually get my first sale? It's ridiculous. I spent months and months and months wasting my freaking time, and I don't want that for you. And here's why that's all a lie. Local businesses do not care if you're the most qualified person to help them in their business. All they care about is that you're present, you're willing to learn, you're willing to help them, you're trustworthy, and you're authentic. Here's a real life example. Your toilet breaks and you call a plumber. Do you ask them for their credentials and see pictures of before and afters of other toilets they've fixed? Do you ask a doctor what their GPA is? No, because it does not matter. The fact is that most of your clients don't even know what the heck Go High Level is. They've never even heard of it. So you're already a step ahead because you have the software that's going to help them grow and scale. And that's the thing about landing your first Go High Level client. You don't need to be so far ahead of your clients. You just need to be one step ahead and be willing to work and be willing to show up to learn and actually help and be authentic with this business owner to help them grow, scale, and create more systems within their business. And I remember so vividly that I thought I needed to cold call because that's what everyone says on YouTube. I hate cold calling. And I remember trying to force myself to make the first cold call. And I was so nervous to do it. Like I literally felt like I was gonna die. So I basically found a plumbing business that was located across the country so that if I called, he would never know who I was. It would just wash my hands and be done with it. And I remember making the first cold call and it went okay. I didn't die. I actually got some experience, and I afterwards, I just remember being like, whoa, that was nowhere near as bad as I thought it would be. So one of my challenges for you is to actually make the DM, make the cold call, and see what happens. It's not gonna kill you, and you gotta put yourself out there in order to get your first client. At the end of the day, all business owners care about is making more money and saving time. That's literally it. That's the results that you're selling. And a lot of people get stuck into the selling the features, which is exactly what I did when I first started. I tried to sell complicated Facebook ads to real estate agents. And then I started to try to sell AI voice to the wrong niche completely. And it was just very, very difficult to get them to even understand my offer. And then a light bulb moment happened to me. I realized I was having so much imposter syndrome because I was trying to sell advanced features that I didn't really know how to implement and use and fulfill myself. So I said, all right, I need to narrow down my offer, narrow down my niche, and just come up with something that's extremely, extremely simple that business owners already know they already have. And it uses the PASS method, which I talk about a lot in our videos. Problem, they already know the problem. You just have to agitate it, and then you have to give them the solution for their problem. And I had this epiphany moment because I've been literally blogging since 2016. That's how we reach financial freedom, is through our blog, thesavvycouple.com, is that I've done websites and SEO for 10 years. And it was like, wait a second, Kellen, why are you not selling websites to local businesses? So it's this big epiphany moment that all local business owners know they need a professional looking website, and they know that they need a place to actually show off their work and capture leads for their business. It literally became the simplest offer ever to sell because business owners already know they need a professional looking website that they can show off their work. They need an online presence so that when someone searches for them on Google, they show up on Google and they have a website they can reach out to, and they need to actually capture leads on that website. So that became my offer, and that's how I landed my very first client. I literally posted on Facebook that day and just asked for local business owners that need a website, and wouldn't you know, a lot of them commented or got tagged below in the thread. And my first client actually turned out to be a college high school friend that I graduated with. She started an amazing cleaning company and they needed a new website redesign. So I sent her a DM on Facebook, told her to jump on a Zoom call with me and kind of talk through what it would look like to rebuild her website using Go High Level's templates at the time. Now there's AI Studio, which is a million times better. But we originally sold her on a website using the Go High Level templates. So the mental flip I want you to do in your head right now that I know you're struggling with is thinking that you need to be an expert, having this imposter syndrome, thinking that it's not okay to fail. Flip it completely to the opposite side. Understand you do not need to be an expert to start this business or land your first paying client. I promise you, you don't need any experience and you can be successful in doing this. One thing I did is stopped asking myself, am I ready to start this, and start looking outwards to see who and what businesses need my help right now. Who can I help? That one flip changed everything. That's when I started to actually post on Facebook and share with family and friends what I was doing. I started to actually make cold calls. I started to make Facebook DMs. And that's when I landed my first client, is when I started to take action and stop waiting until I was perfectly ready. I went from wasting literally months of my life learning Go High Level, watching YouTube videos, listening to podcasts, trying to get ready, trying to be perfect before I got my first client, to landing my first client, and then my next one, and then my next one, and then my next one. Building a life-changing recurring revenue AI agency business. All right, let's go back to the first client. Again, this was just one single Facebook post on my personal page asking business owners, who wants more business, who needs a new website? And then I got a bunch of people tagged and a bunch of people tagging themselves to actually reach out. And then I just sent some quick DMs. And this is another mindset shift after this happened, is I kept thinking I have to sell this. I have to get my first client. There's so much pressure. I got to do it. Got to sell. Switch your mindset to you're providing value to this business owner. They would love to get help. They're struggling with systems. They're struggling with not having a website, with lead capture, with all of the things, all the amazing things that Go High Level can do and is easy to set up. They're struggling with all these things. So you were just there to learn about their business, actually genuinely care, and provide value to them. And if you do that, you're going to make sales so much easier. You're going to take the pressure off of yourself and you're going to land your first client. I promise you, I guarantee you that's what's going to happen. So for my first client, she reached out, we got on a Zoom call, and it was all about me learning about their business, how long they've been in business for, what type of cleaning do they do, where are they getting most of their leads from? Just simple questions, asking and prodding their business, figuring out where the holes were within their business and where I could actually solve those using Go High Level. So number one is we identified her website was old, does not collect leads, is not ranking on Google. That was an easy sell. $3,000 up front for a professionally designed SEO optimized website. And then on the back end, we realized they don't get enough reviews, they don't have an all-in-one inbox, and that was basically the custom offer that I built. is the website up front, the one-time build, and then the $197 was for the all-in-one inbox, the review automation, and then hosting and maintenance on the website. So $200 a month to do that. And then I actually did it, and it wasn't as hard or as challenging as I thought. I actually outsourced the website on Fiverr to someone. I didn't want to do it myself. I definitely could have. Now with AI Studio, there's no reason you can't do it. I have a full AI Studio prompt that you can grab. Again, just comment free course below and you get access to all of my bonuses. And it's so much easier to create websites now. It's absolutely insane that I was able to sell that one for $3,000. And now we can build websites in 5 to 10 minutes using Go High Level. And then I did it. I actually took action and got my first paying client. I got her to hand over her credit card and pay me for a website and some back-end systems in Go High Level. And no, fulfillment did not go perfect. I definitely sounded like an idiot a couple times. I had mistakes that were not connected with custom values and all the tech stuff that I'm horrible with. But she knew that I was dedicated to helping her find success and be successful. So she was willing to stay on and willing to learn and grow with me. And then 2 months later, after we built her website and we got her set up on the back-end systems, I upsold her to a $500 a month SEO package. So it's going to be monthly Google Business Profile Optimization and website optimization for $500 a month. And this client, this first client that I ever got, has paid us over $10,000 by just staying with us and getting her results. $10,000, first client. Wasted months, took action, actually started reaching out, flipped my mindset that I need to be perfect and need to have everything figured out before starting. And then I landed my first $10,000 client. It's crazy. It's crazy to think back on that story. And another thing that I got caught up in, another mindset shift, again, is like trying to systematize everything. I kept trying to build this system. And this is because I built a 7-figure business with the Savvy Couple before, but I was trying to systematize everything, trying to be like looking in the future of like, all right, I got 100 clients. This is what onboarding is going to look like. These are the messages they're going to get. Before I even got my first client. Do not think about systems before you have your first client. Don't make that mistake. Systems do not matter until you're scaling. And that's when you can actually dive into the systems and make sure that everything's optimized and onboarding's optimized and the messages you send are optimized and the Facebook ads are optimized. You don't need any of that shit until you get your first client, okay? All right, here's your path forward. In order to get the skills you need to actually start, scale, grow your agency, you need to actually do. You earn skills by doing the thing. You don't earn your skills by learning and by continuing to take free courses and watch more YouTube videos and another podcast. Like, that's not going to get you the skills. You need to actually do the thing, do the work, mess up, fail, learn, pivot, and go, go, go. Action, action, action. Every hour, every day, every week that you continue to learn and wait until you're ready to go, business owners are losing leads. They're losing customers. They're not being found online because you are not helping them. They need your help, and the opportunity is insane. There are literally over 40 million small businesses in America that need some type of help with Go High Level, whether it's a website, whether it's missed call text back, review automation, CRM, all-in-one inbox. Like, all small business owners need something in their business to help them scale and grow, save them time, and make them more money. The opportunity is insane. Like I said before, I've been doing this for over a decade. This is the best business model by far that I've come across in the last decade of doing this. We started the Savvy Couple back in 2016. We were able to systematize a ton of it, get writers, editors, and really like make it as passive as possible. But there was no reoccurring income coming in. We were solely reliant on Google. And the moment that Google changed our algorithm overnight and pulled our traffic, we lost 80% of our revenue, just like that, because it wasn't reoccurring. That's why this is so incredible. Selling to business owners, I have found, is way easier than selling to consumers. Plus, they have more money to spend. Plus, you actually have a real system and a real solution to their problems with Go High Level. And Go High Level is absolutely incredible and continuing to make more and more features and software updates to make it as easy as possible to help these business owners. And again, the best part is it's reoccurring income. Do you understand that? It's like building your paycheck. You're in complete control over it. You can build it to $1,000 a month, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 per month, be life-changing income. And it's going to come in month after month after month. Like I said, with my first client, I've made over $10,000 from this client. I think she's going to stay on forever for the next at least 5 years because we're helping her so much and helping her grow to a 7-figure business. And it's incredible and it's super fulfilling, but it's recurring income. Every single month you're getting this income coming in and you set it up one time. Yes, there's going to be some support here and there. You have some questions from your clients, but that's all part of the game. It's reoccurring income. There's no better business model right now than starting your own AI agency using Go High Level. All right, so let me leave you with this. Your first client is literally right in front of you, so much closer than you actually think. And they're not waiting for the most qualified person. They're waiting for that one person that shows up, listens to the problems they're having within their business, and genuinely cares about solving those problems and helping them grow and scale. And I promise you that you already have that. Stop waiting until you're ready, because ready is built on doing, not watching, not waiting. Action takers are money makers. Found this car chat valuable, hit the like button, share with a friend, comment free course below, and make sure you check out this next video here. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.